Okay, welcome to online education. This is T. Narahari, lecturer in mathematics, GDC, Mahabubad. Today, I am explain differential and integral calculus. This is the first year and first semester. What is the differential calculus? In this differential calculus, today I am discuss the points function of two variables, neighborhood of a point, continuity of a function of two variables, and limit point of a function, and also applications, definitions, and problems. Today you see this type function of two variables. See, this is a case of this. Now, what is the differential calculus? See here, differential calculus. Differential calculus. Differential calculus. What is the calculus means in intermediate level? This is calculus as two words. One is differentiation, second is integration. Calculus is a common name for differentiation and integration. Now see here, first you see in the calculus differentiation, differential calculus you see first. Next integral calculus. మనం differentiation చేస్తూ ఉంటాం. Differentiation is two types, Two types differentiation is two types. One is ordinary derivative and partial differentiation. These two types. Now in intermediate level, single variable function. What is single variable function? Is given function is f of x. Here only involve x value. You see, function is neighborhood is right limit of this function. You see, limit x tends to a, f of x is equal to is L. L is a number, one of the number. This is a limit of a function. This is single variable function. You write y is equal to, you write no doubt at all. Y is equal to f of x is a single variable function. You involved single variable or x or y or z. Limit of this function you already know. Limit x tends to f of x. L is a number, one of the number. F of x is a single variable function. Limit x tends to a. A is a one of the c. Here, what is that c? X tends to a means, what is that c? In our limit definition, every epsilon greater than 0, then there exists a delta greater than 0 such that f of x minus L less than epsilon. ఇక్కడ ఉంటుంది దీని ముందు x minus a is less than x minus a 0 less than delta. That implies it. What about x minus a less than delta means? You see, x is equal to right outside a plus or minus delta. A plus or minus delta less than x and less than or equal less than a plus delta. What about a minus delta? A plus delta is a NBD, neighborhood of a point. Single variable, neighborhood of a point. Here, this is single variable story in our intermediate level. Now today, in our differential classes in first year, first semester, you see function of two variables. two variables. Function of two variables. What is the function of two variables means? Here x and y two variables. You write function f of xy. This is the function is two variables. You write f of xy is a function. A function in a two variables. A function in a two variables xy is denoted by f of xy. You write that is z is a function of two variables. Similarly, you write capital F or small z. Z is a function of two variables x and y. In case you write z is equal to f of xy. This is a function. And similarly, one variable, you let us see here y is equal to f of x. Single variable is shown by y is equal to. Y is a function in x, that is y is equal to f of x. Here z is equal to f of xy. You show this. Some numbers are h is equal to f of xy. Capital F, right? F is equal to f of xy. This is single double variable function. Two variables are there. This function. You write z is equal to f of xy. You write c. Z is two variables function. How to write c? X square plus xy plus y square. This is two variables are there. X, y is involved. This is f of xy is equal to x square plus xy plus y square. You see one of the examples. You write so many examples also. This type of equations, you write two variable functions. Right. NBD of this. NBD of point. NBD of point AB. See. In NBD, how to define an NBD? Only taken a point, a single variable, single point, because single variable is there. Here two variables is there, x and y. You see 2 points A and B. Here are two variables, neighborhoods. Two neighbors, A and B, two. You write A neighborhood and B neighborhood. You see this. What? How to write? See, A neighborhood, B neighborhood. See here. Here f of xy, see, x is a neighborhood of A. And what about C? A is neighborhood, A minus delta, A plus delta. Neighborhood of xy. See here. Neighborhood of xy. What do you see? A minus delta, A plus delta. B neighborhood, B minus delta, B plus delta. These two also be neighborhoods. A minus delta means 2 undi. Now right side 2.1, 2.2. Left side 1.999, 1.998. This is left and right. Two sides are there. This side is one of the neighborhood. This side is one of the neighborhood. 2 ki pakka number. Side by side. Another number. Side by. This side. Left side, right side. In neighborhood. 2 యొక్క neighborhood. 2 కు 2.1 కి ఎంత డిఫరెన్స్ ఉంది? జస్ట్ 0.1. దట్ ఈస్ డివైడెడ్ బై డెల్టా. దట్ ఈస్ ఏ ప్లస్ డెల్టా. అంటే 2కి 0.1 కలిపితే 2.1 ఏ ప్లస్ డెల్టా. 2కి 0.1 సబ్స్ట్రాక్ట్ చేస్తే ఏ మైనస్ డెల్టా. లెఫ్ట్ సైడ్. దిస్ ఈజ్ లెఫ్ట్ సైడ్ నైబర్హుడ్, ఇది రైట్ సైడ్ నైబర్హుడ్. దిస్ ఇస్ ద కేస్. అంటే 2కి పక్క అంటే మన ఇల్లు ఉంది, పక్క వాళ్ళ ఇల్లు, పక్క వాళ్ళ ఇల్లు, పక్క ఇటు సైడ్ ఇంకో పక్క వాళ్ళ ఇల్లు, ఇంకో పక్క వాళ్ళ. దట్ ఈజ్ నైబర్హుడ్. దిస్ ఈజ్ కాల్డ్ నైబర్హుడ్. నైబర్హుడ్ ఆఫ్ ద 2 పాయింట్స్. 2కు దగ్గరగా ఉండే పాయింట్స్. ఇప్పుడు ఎక్స్ ఈజ్ ఏ, వాట్ ఈస్ దట్? సి అవర్ ఎక్స్ ఏ మైనస్ డెల్టా లెస్ దాన్ ఎక్స్ లెస్ దాన్ ఏ ప్లస్ డెల్టా. ఇగో దిస్ ఈజ్ అవర్ ఎక్స్. వేరియబుల్ ఎక్స్ ఈజ్ టెన్స్ టు ఏ. ఎక్స్ ఈజ్ టెన్స్ టు ఏ మీన్స్ ఎక్స్ అనేది ఏని సమీపిస్తుంది. లెఫ్ట్ సైడా రైట్ సైడా? టు బోత్ సైడ్ ఆల్సో బి దేర్. ఏ మైనస్ డెల్టా ఏ ప్లస్ డెల్టా. టూ సైడ్ నైబర్హుడ్ ఆల్సో బి. ఎక్స్ ఈజ్ కమ్ ఫ్రమ్ రైట్ సైడ్, ఎక్స్ ఈజ్ కేమ్ ఫ్రమ్ లెఫ్ట్ సైడ్. ఇక్కడ నుంచి అయినా రావచ్చు, ఇక్కడ నుంచి అయినా రావచ్చు. దట్ ఈజ్ ఎక్స్. సిమిలర్లీ ఆల్సో బి యూ టేక్ b minus delta less than y is less than b plus delta. This also be neighborhoods of these sections. Now xy total you write. What about c? A minus delta less than x is less than or equal, you put no doubt, a plus delta, and b minus delta less than or equal y is less than or equal b plus delta. It is our neighborhood of this. Now see here, one of the point is there here, two tests here, lines, square by lines, square by lines. This is very important. See, x is equal to a minus delta, x is equal to a plus delta, and y is equal to, what about say, b minus delta, and y is equal to b plus delta. This is, x is equal to a means it is a parallel of y axis, y is equal to b means it is parallel of y axis. The outside see here this, right, this is the type of this is the square of this. X is equal to a minus delta, a plus delta. That is, what about see, y is equal to a plus delta. Here y is equal to what about c, x is equal to a minus delta, x is equal to a plus delta. Here y is equal to a b minus పైకి ఉంది కదా, b plus delta, y is equal to b. It is ab total square of this. This is area of square. Yes. What about here? AB, for every value of delta we will get neighborhood of AB. Thus xy, suppose that here see this is a point, xy a minus delta less than or equal x less than or equal a plus delta, b minus delta less than or equal y is less than or equal b plus delta. That is the neighborhood of a point AB. Totally, what about see, two variables are there. You take one of the point, approach x is approach a one of the number, y is approached a other number. These two numbers are there. You consider two neighborhoods, one neighborhood for x, other neighborhood for y. This is the neighborhood of the point. Similarly, neighborhood definition is single variable or double variable, same neighborhood definition. But you are taking at a time two neighborhoods, between a and b neighborhoods. You are taking only single neighborhood because single variable is there, double variable is there. That is the neighborhood. Now, continuous of a function, single variable same, double variable same. A function continuous, continuity of a function of two variables. What is a function of two variables f of x y is said to be continuous at a point a comma b. Definition, right? If every epsilon greater than 0, then there exists delta greater than 0 such that, what about see, such that what is that see, f of x y minus f of a b less than epsilon. This is the case. Now this is rewrite limit x tends to a, y tends to b, f of x y is equal to f of a b. This is the continuous of this. This is limit point. X is tends to a, y is tends to b. F of x y is equal to represent the answer f of a b. F of a b means is a number. This is the continuity of the limit point. You see next. Limit at a point. ఒక పాయింట్ తీసుకోండి, ఏ ఇస్ ఏ పాయింట్, సి దిస్ ఆర్ ఎల్ లిమిట్. వాట్ అబౌట్ హౌ టు రైట్, సి ఎవ్రీ ఎప్సిలాన్ greater than 0, then there exists delta greater than 0. A function is said to be continuous if it is continuous at every point its domain. Okay, that is now delta greater than 0. See, limit of a function. Limit of a function is two variables. A function is f is to be the limit. What about say is L, limit L అనుకుంటే ఇక్కడ. Now let you take L. What is that? See, limit x tends to a, y tends to b, f of x y is equal to, you write L. Now write the definition of this. Every epsilon greater than 0, then there exists delta greater than 0 such that f of x y, it writes f of x y minus L less than epsilon. This is the limit of a point. See, what is the limit of a point? Limit x tends to y tends to b. అంటే ఎట్ ఏ టైం ఇక్కడ ఎక్స్ వేరియబుల్కి ఒక లిమిట్ అప్లై చేయాలి, వై వేరియబుల్కి ఒక లిమిట్ అప్లై చేయాలి. చేసేసేసేసి ఎల్ కనుక్కోవాలి. ఎల్ ఈజ్ ఏ పాయింట్, లిమిట్ పాయింట్. ఈ ఎఫ్ ఆఫ్ ఎక్స్ వై అనే ఫంక్షన్ ఎక్స్ ఏని సమీపిస్తుంది, వైని బి సమీపిస్తున్నప్పుడు ఈ ఫంక్షన్ ఎల్ అనే అవధిని పొందుతుంది. దిస్ ఈజ్ ద లిమిట్ పాయింట్. అంటే ఎఫ్ ఆఫ్ ఎక్స్ వై అన్ని వాల్యూస్ ఏమవుతున్నాయో స్టేజ్ తర్వాత ఎల్కి ఈక్వల్ అయిపోతాయి. దట్ ఈస్ ద కాల్డ్ లిమిట్ పాయింట్. ఇట్ ఈస్ ది అవర్ డబుల్ వేరియబుల్, టూ వేరియబుల్ లిమిట్ ఫంక్షన్. రైట్, సచ్ దట్ ఎఫ్ ఆఫ్ ఎక్స్ వై మైనస్ సేమ్ ఇంటర్మీడియట్లో సింగిల్ వేరియబుల్కి ఎలానైతే మనం లిమిట్ అప్లై చేసామో ఇక్కడ కూడా అదే మోడల్ లిమిట్ అప్లై చేసాం. అక్కడ డిఫరెన్స్ ఏంటంటే సింగిల్ వేరియబుల్ ఒక నైబర్హుడ్ అంటే ఎక్స్ అనేది ఒక నెంబర్కి రీచ్ అవుతుంది, ఎక్స్ టెన్స్ టు ఏ. ఇక్కడ టూ వేరియబుల్స్ కాబట్టి ఎక్స్ టెన్స్ టు ఏ, వై టెన్స్ టు బి. దిస్ ఈజ్ ద డిఫరెన్స్ బిట్వీన్ దెమ్ సింగిల్ వేరియబుల్ ఆర్ డబుల్ వేరియబుల్. This is the process of the limit point. Now partial derivatives, already you know in previous above. Partial derivation means derivative two types. One is ordinary, second is partial. Now see partial derivatives. Partial derivatives means a partial derivative of a function several variables is its derivatives with respect to one of those variables with the orders LC. About see dou fy, dou x, dou y. Two single independent variables. Two or more independent variables is there exist two or more independent variables under one of the function. That is called partial derivative. Ordinary derivative, two single variables unde, only one variable, one independent variable is exist in ordinary. This is the difference between ordinary derivation and partial derivation. This is z is a function in xy. You find dou f by dou x and dou f by dou y. This is called f of x. This is called f of y. Shortly denoted. F of x means z is there. Z of x. Z is a function in xy. You take partial derivation with respect of x. Z is a function in xy. In z, you take partial derivation y. X ఉంటుంది అంటే టూ సైడ్స్ డో స్క్వేర్ ఎఫ్ బై డో ఎక్స్ స్క్వేర్ డో వై, డో ఎక్స్ డో వై, వై ఇస్ నాట్ వై స్క్వేర్, ఇలా ఉంటుంది. నౌ సి డో స్క్వేర్ జెడ్ బై వాట్ అబౌట్ సి అనదర్ ఫంక్షన్ డో ఎక్స్ డో వై. దిస్ ఇస్ క్యూబ్ ఉంటే కూడా వస్తుంది, త్రీ వేరియబుల్స్ ఉంటాయి. డో క్యూబ్ జెడ్ బై డో ఎక్స్ డో వై డో జెడ్. ఎఫ్ పెట్టుకోండి, డో ఎఫ్ బై డో స్క్వేర్ ఎఫ్ డో క్యూబ్ వస్తుంది, డో క్యూబ్. దిస్ టైప్ ఆఫ్ ఫంక్షన్. See here limit, this already you know, z is equal to f of xy is a function, limit h tends to 0 f of a plus h plus b minus f of ab by h, or h to 0, h tends to 0 all the time. This is the case. Now second also be there. What is that second? See here limit f of a b plus limit h tends to 0 f of a b plus k minus f of ab by h, k tends to 0. That is the case. Now here variable ఏది పెడితే అది h is char k, hk, k tends to 0. Here write k under k. It is the limit of partial derivations. See some problems under this vision. See, they are given what is the function here. U is equal to, it is important problem. See, x square tan inverse y by x plus minus y square tan inverse x by y. Prove that dou square u by dou x dou y is equal to x square minus y square by x square plus y square. This is the problem. What about u ఇచ్చాడు, u ఎందులో ఫంక్షన్ ఉంది, ఎక్స్ వైలలో ఫంక్షన్, టూ వేరియబుల్స్ ఉన్నాయి ఇందులో. నౌ ఫైండ్ వాట్ ఈస్ దట్. సి టు ప్రూవ్ దట్ dou square u by dou x dou y is equal to x square minus y square by x square plus y square. అంటే డో స్క్వేర్ యూ డో ఎక్స్ డో వై మనం ఇందులో ఎక్స్ దృష్ట్యా వై దృష్ట్యా విత్ రెస్పెక్ట్ ఆఫ్ వై ఇది వస్తుంది మనకి. నౌ సీ హియర్ వాట్ ఈస్ దట్ ద కేస్ టోటల్లీ. హియర్ Here given dou square u by dou x dou y. First you write dou by dou x, dou u by dou y. This you write this. First to find this. After take the both side partial derivation. First to partial derivation with respect of y. After you see partial derivation. First you find dou u by dou y. What is u is equal to? Here function x square tan inverse y by x minus y square tan inverse x by y. Both side different partial derivation with respect to x. Sorry, y. Dou u by dou y. Now dou u by dou y is equal to, you see, x square tan inverse y by x. ఇది x square ఉంది. With respect of y, x square is constant, x term is constant. X term constant ఉంది కాబట్టి ఒక దీనికి చేస్తే సరిపోతుంది. tan inverse y by x only derivative here. tan inverse y by x. How to see here x square right as it is constant, because tan inverse y by x means 1 by 1 tan inverse of d by dx of tan inverse x 1 by 1 plus x square 1 by 1 plus y by x whole square into, again you see y by x with respect of y derivation 1 by x you write. This is the close. Now come to this side minus y square, here tan inverse y x by y, both also be y terms are there, here y term, here y term. Because going on this term, u into v method. U into v method means you see into y square derivation is 2y into tan inverse x by y means 1 by 1 plus x by y whole square. Again you see x by y means y derivation is 1. Y 1 by y derivation 1 by y minus 1 by y square, that is minus x by y square. So this is here plus u into v, here minus is common in bracket c, this minus. Now here u into v, u into v means here plus, and now you write y square as it is. Sorry, 2 times just minus, first to take 2y, you write as it is tan inverse x by y plus, here you see y square tan inverse x by y means 1 by 1 plus x by y whole square into minus x by y square. This is the case. Now next, here write dou u by dou y is equal to, what is that? See, here write x square, totally what about see, x square, x is cut, here x square is there below, x square this x cube by, you write x square plus y square minus this 2y tan inverse x by y plus into minus what, see, y square is, see, y square is cancelled in minus what about see 2y tan inverse x by y, this is y square is cancelled, minus x by, what about see minus x cube, what do I write, see here minus x cube y square, here y square 1 by 1 plus square, totally what about minus 2y tan inverse minus 2y tan inverse x by, right, xy square by y square plus x square, here plus minus. Now totally what is that, see her answer, x cube by x square plus y square minus 2y tan inverse x by y plus xy square by y square plus x square. You see these two first. This x square y square, this x square y square is 2 also be denominators are same, you are adding the power numerators, that is enough. What you would see here, x is common in both, x common here, x square plus y square by x square plus y square minus 2y tan inverse x by y, these two. Now x square cancel, dou u by dou y is equal to, what our answer, x minus 2y tan inverse x by y. This is. Now next, here what is that, see here You see this? Now what? Here, now dou square u by dou x dou y is equal to dou by dou x of dou u by dou y. Bracket work completed. This is the answer. This answer again take the partial derivation with respect of x. This type. See, dou by dou x of x minus 2y tan inverse x by y. This is the case, last case. This is case is dou by dou x, one derivation is 1 minus 2y, 2y. This you take the derivation 1 by 1 plus x square. Now what is the answer with respect of x derivation 1? That is 1 by y. X by y derivation is 1 by y. Now see, is equal to 1 minus, what you see here, 2y square, y cancel. If below y square is there, that y square at front side, 2y square by x square plus y square. Now take the LCM, this x square plus y square minus 2y square by x square plus y square. These two, what about answer? X square minus y square by x square plus y square. This is the, what about see, dou square u by dou x dou y is equal to x square minus y square by x square plus y square. This is the answer. This is very important problem given under the 5 marks in our Cox's University, this type of problems, right? Next to see, very simple problem you see, next problem, u is equal to is given. This type of problems is very important. You see, u is equal to 1 by root of x square plus y square plus z square. X square plus y square plus z square is not equal to 0. So that dou square u by dou x square, dou square u by dou y square plus dou square z by dou z square, dou square u by dou z square is equal to 0. First to find this answer, this answer, this answer. After club the answers, you get 0 or not. That is the problem. Now, u is given. Whatever u is equal to here, u is equal to 1 by x square plus y square plus z square. Condition is given not equal 0. ఇది 0 అయితే ఇన్ఫినిట్ అవుతుందని భయంతో నాట్ ఈక్వల్ 0 ఇచ్చాడు అంతే. దట్ ఈస్ ద కేస్. 1 by x square plus y square plus z square. Now this you write again. What to write? See, simply derivative you write, convenient you write x square plus y square plus z square whole to the power of minus half. In the numerator you write denominator minus half. What about totally u is equal to, what your answer? X square plus y square plus z square minus half. First, both side partial derivation with respect to x. Dou u by dou x is equal to, first to write minus half x square plus y square plus z square minus half minus 1 into again x square 2x. This 0, this 0. You write this 2 is cancelled. Dou u by dou x is equal to minus x into x square plus y square plus z square. It is minus 3 by 2. This is our answer. Now again partial derivation of this, because dou square u by dou x square, dou by dou x of dou u by dou x is equal to dou square u by dou x square. This is, now again with u into v follow this method. U into v method means you write first is minus x derivation 1, you write this as it is x square plus y square plus z square all to the power of minus 3 by 2, right? Plus x is 1, minus u into v method is plus minus x into, see this, see Rama, this is derivation is 1, you write as it is this minus x into derivation of this minus 3 by 2, that is plus 3 by 2 x into, you write x square plus y square plus z square minus 3 by 2 minus 1, again you write 2x. This derivation 2 is cancelled. dou square u by dou x square is equal to dou x square is equal to what you write answer you write minus x square plus y square plus z square minus 3 by 2. This is plus second time 2 cancel x square 3x square x square plus y square plus z square all to the power of minus 5 by 2. This is the answer. What about this? Again you find same way dou square u by dou y square same answer you write minus x square plus y square plus z square all to the power of minus 3 by 2 minus 3 by 2 plus 3y square x square plus y square plus z square all to the power of minus 5 by 2. This is the answer of dou u by dou y, dou square u by dou x square. Now next you see, similarly you write dou square u by dou z square is equal to answer minus x square plus y square plus z square all to the power of minus 3 by 2 plus 3 by plus z square plus z square into x square plus y square plus z square all to the power of minus 5 by 2. Now dou square u by dou x square plus dou square u by dou y square plus dou square u by dou z square is equal to 0. You show this answer. Okay, first you write this. Whatever that answer is minus x square plus y square plus z square all to the power of minus 3 by 2 plus 3x square plus y square plus z square all to the power of minus 5 by 2. Minus again x square plus y square plus z square minus 3 by 2 3y square x square plus y square plus z square minus 5 by 2. Again minus x square plus y square plus z square all to the power of minus 3 by 2 plus 3z square into x square plus y square plus z square minus 5 by 2. That is these three is adding. Add these three. How to write this thing? Adding these three. Here minus 3 into x square plus y square plus z square minus 3 by 2. 1 minus 3 into. Plus this is common term of these three terms. 3x square or 3 is common x square plus y square plus z square into right x square plus y square plus z square all to the power of minus 5 by 2. This is the case. Now see here answer. Now totally what is that? See here minus 3 is there, cancel. This is again it is 1. This 2 is adding x square plus y square power 1 power minus 5 by 2. That is minus 3 x square plus y square plus z square minus 3 by 2 plus 3 into minus 5 by 2 plus 1, that is minus 5 plus 2 by 2, that is minus 3 by 2, x square plus y square plus z square minus 3 by 2. This cancel, that is equal to 0. Therefore dou square u by dou x square plus dou square u by dou y square plus dou square u by dou z square is equal to 0. This is the problem of our case. Similarly, third problem also be there. Very important problem. These three problems and also one or two more problems are there. These problems are very important under our Kakta University. Very simple. It is first semester. Is also be problems are there. Almost all problems are there in the differential calculus and integral calculus. In our integral calculus, fourth unit, some or two theorems, important theorems are there. We will learn that in one by one after that. Okay. Thank you, my dear students. This is the class today. Now next class, going to other important definitions and problems. This is totally mechanism. This is differential calculus and differential. Mechanism means all also be problems, no theory. Almost all problems are there. It is very simple. Already you know learn intermediate. What you learn in intermediate, that is developed here. Partial derivation. It is very important. See now. Thank you. Once again you see next class.